Once upon a time, in the tranquil gardens of a monastery nestled among lush green mountains, there lived a young monk named Koji. Koji was known for his restless mind, always buzzing with thoughts like a beehive on a warm summer day. One evening, as the sun dipped behind the mountains, Koji sat beneath a towering cherry blossom tree, feeling overwhelmed by the chaos in his mind. He longed for inner peace but didn't know where to begin. Just then, the wise elder monk, Master Ryu, approached Koji with a gentle smile. "Why do you look troubled, young one?" Master Ryu asked, his voice like a soothing melody. Koji sighed. "My mind is like a stormy sea, Master. I can't seem to find any calmness within." Master Ryu nodded knowingly. "Ah, the turbulent mind is a common challenge, my dear Koji. But fear not, for within every storm lies the potential for stillness. Come, let me share with you the wisdom of calming the mind." And so, Master Ryu began his tale. Long ago, in a distant village, there lived a wise old sage named Osho. People from far and wide sought his counsel, for he possessed the secret to inner peace. One day, a young traveler named Hiro approached Osho with a heavy heart. "Master," he said, "I am plagued by worries and fears. How can I find peace amidst the chaos of life?" Osho smiled kindly and handed Hiro a small wooden bowl filled with water. "Look into this bowl," he said. "What do you see?" Hiro peered into the bowl and saw his own reflection, distorted by the ripples in the water. "I see myself, but the image is unclear," he replied. "Just as the water becomes still when left untouched," Osho said, "so too does the mind find clarity when allowed to settle." "But how do I calm my restless mind?" Hiro asked, feeling perplexed. Osho gestured to a nearby bamboo flute lying in the grass. "Play me a tune," he said. Hiro hesitated, unsure of how playing music could calm his mind. Nevertheless, he picked up the flute and began to play a soft melody. As the notes filled the air, he felt a sense of peace wash over him. "You see, young Hiro," Osho said, "just as the music flows effortlessly from the flute, so too can peace flow effortlessly from within. When you focus on the present moment, your worries and fears fade away." From that day forward, Hiro practiced mindfulness and meditation, learning to embrace each moment with a sense of calmness and clarity. As Master Ryu finished his story, Koji felt a glimmer of hope ignite within him. "But Master," he asked, "how can I learn to calm my mind like Hiro?" Master Ryu chuckled softly. "The journey to inner peace begins with a single step, my dear Koji. Start by taking a few deep breaths and observing the rhythm of your breath. Allow your thoughts to come and go like passing clouds in the sky without clinging to them." Koji nodded, feeling a newfound sense of determination. With Master Ryu's guidance, he embarked on his journey to calm the storm within, one mindful breath at a time. And as the stars twinkled overhead and the cherry blossoms danced in the moonlight, Koji felt a sense of peace wash over him, knowing that the path to inner tranquility was within reach.